This is going to be a review of the JW Gripsoft Dog Comb. I guess it's a pet comb, cat comb, dog comb. Here's the back of the package if you're interested in pausing to read it. So the reason I bought it is it has rotating, what are these things called? Tines, rotating tines. And my dog kind of gets tangled up a little bit, so I wanted to try this out and see how it would work. I'm going to put this on her in a couple seconds and we'll see how effective it is. If you like my videos, please do a thumbs up, a subscribe, or a like. If you have a product you want me to review, if I can get a hold of it, let me know. And if you want to donate to my channel, ask for my PayPal info. So let's check out this JW Gripsoft Rotating Tines Comfort Comb. She is resting. I'm not sure if she's going to get up. I want her to smell the comb. Oh, now she hears a dog. There we go. That's going to ruin the video. I want to see how this is going to work on her coat. It's supposed to be rotating, and the rotating tines, it's really digging into it. It's small, so it's comfortable for me. I don't know if you can see with my hand and my arm in the way. She's not too thrilled with this. It is definitely catch. Well, you know, it's catching. It's like with all combs. When you comb a dog that's all tangled up, you have to be real slow and gentle and careful, because all combs get stuck in their fur. It's pulling up some coat. Her coat is looking really nice. Look at this. So it's definitely, look now, see how it's slowly blending through. It doesn't want to, it gets caught over here. Ooh, she doesn't like that. But over here, now it's flowing through. So yeah, I think if you take your time, you be patient, and this is a good comb. The thing I like about it, it's really the perfect size for anybody's hand. I would definitely go slowly, because dogs do not like when you're using a comb on them, because it really digs in. But when you use a comb, look at this. When you see what I mean? When you use a comb, though, it just makes the coat look incredible. You can see it right now. Look how nice that is. Absolutely beautiful. So, yeah, I totally recommend this 100%. 5 stars all the way. Again, just be patient. If they have long, furry coats like this dog, even though it's kind of thinned out, you need to be real careful and go slowly. You can use a brush. A brush is a lot easier. And some brushes might get in there, but they're not going to make... Look how smooth she looks right now, because she was all knotted up and tangled before. So, yeah, a really good product. Comfort Comb. I'll post the info on the subject.